Mr. Speaker, sir, I raise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Trade, Industrialisation and Tourism on a matter of national concern regarding the state of Kenyatta International Convention Centre, KICC. Tenants and users of the Convention Centre have raised concerns regarding the maintenance, sanitation, security, financial performance, and overall management of the centre. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the statement, the committee should address the following. 1. The current state of maintenance at KICC, particular sanitation, lighting, fumigation, and pest control, and the measures being taken to restore the centre to acceptable international standards. Mr. Speaker, sir, number 2, the circumstances surrounding the recent change of security service providers, including the procurement process followed and measures in place to prevent access by hawkers and other unauthorized persons. Number 3, Mr. Speaker, the annual revenue performance of KICC as of meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions tourism center from the financial year 2021-2022 to date, indicating the revenue targets and actual revenue realized in each year and explaining any significant variance. Mr. Speaker, sir, number 4, the status of implementation of the recommendation of the Auditor General OAG relating to governance, financial management, and asset management of Kenyatta International Convention Centre, KICC. And finally, Mr. Speaker, sir, the refurbishment and modernization programs planned for the centre, that is KICC, indicating the respective budgetary allocation and implementation timelines.